Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to enable comments on YouTube. So let's get started. At first, let's get into YouTube and click on this profile icon over here and click on YouTube Studio. Now we need to get into content and select the video. Now in the details, we need to scroll down and click on show more. And scroll down. Over here we can see this option for comments. And we can see it is enabled. To turn this off, simply click on off. To pause, you can click on pause. And to enable comments, simply click on on. Once you are done, just click on save over here on the top right. And the comments will finally be enabled. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.